Whoa! You gotta be kidding me. Just when we thought July would be stacked with DJI drops, things have taken a sudden twist. A trusted leaker, Jasper Ellens, has just spilled the tea on DJI's latest release roadmap, and it's equal parts hype and heartbreak. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear might just blow your mind, or make you scream seriously. The Osmo 360, DJI's 360-degree game changer. Let's go! DJI's long-rumored Osmo 360 is shaping up to be one of their most exciting releases yet. We're talking a compact dual-lens beast that captures full 360-degree video in glorious 6K resolution, with built-in AI horizon leveling, gyro stabilization, and full support for in-camera reframing. Battery life? Up to 85 minutes with active stabilization. Waterproof? Absolutely. Up to 10 meters, no case needed. Storage? Dual microSD slots. Yes, please! Oh, and Bluetooth mic compatibility? Yep. Big W for vloggers. Expected price, $479. New release date, July 29th, 2025. This is it, folks. DJI entering the 360 space is like when Apple dropped the first iPhone. Game changed. DJI's Mic 3 is also on track to launch alongside the Osmo 360 on July 29th, and it's not just a mic, it's a mini audio studio. With dual-channel 32-bit float recording, touchscreen controls, and an upgraded wind noise reduction system, this thing screams professional. No way! You can now record up to 14 hours internally and monitor everything from a redesigned magnetic receiver. Oh, and it'll pair seamlessly with your Osmo camera or smartphone. Price? Around $349, and yes, worth every cent if you're serious about clean, crisp audio. But wait, where's the Osmo Nano? Stop it. DJI's baby action cam, the Osmo Nano, which was originally rumored to launch July 23rd, has now been delayed. Again. Uh-oh. Ellens reports that DJI has quietly pushed it to at least August. But the way it's worded, even that date feels shaky. With the DJI Mini 5 Pro drone now rumored for August 7th, it's clear DJI doesn't want two launches crashing into each other. The Nano, designed to be a successor to the Action 2, was expected to have a modular magnetic build, 1/1.7-inch sensor, and improved heat control. It was even tipped to launch around $299. But now, we're left hanging. Come on now, DJI, this is getting ridiculous. So here's the deal, July 29th is now the new DJI day to circle on your calendar. Whether you're hyped for cinematic 360 action or crystal clear wireless audio, that's your go-to date. As for the Nano, keep your expectations low and your fingers crossed. This is crazy.